Tasty tomato rice recipe. This recipe is one of the famous lunchbox recipe in South India. Just give a try for this quick rice recipe. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds. After mustard seeds spluttering, keep it low flame. Then add 1 tablespoon Urad Dal, 1/4 teaspoon Cumin Seeds, 1 tablespoon cashew nuts, 2 dry red chillies cut into halves. Mix it well for 20 seconds. Now add 6 chopped garlics, 1 center slit green chilli, 2 sprigs of curry leaves, 1.5 chopped onion. Mix it well. Saute it well until the onion turns to light golden color. Change to medium flame at this time. When the onion turns to light golden color, now we are going to add the main ingredient of the recipe. Add 4 chopped tomato. Also add 1.5 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kasmiri Red Chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon Asafoetida powder. Mix all together very well.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
We are adding Asafoetida powder for a special taste. Saute it for 2 minutes on low flame. After 2 minutes, add half cup of water. Mix it well. Cook on medium flame until it starts boiling. When it starts boiling, cook on medium flame until the water dries up and tomato has cooked well. Now add 1.5 tablespoon ghee to it. We are adding ghee for a special taste. After adding the ghee and mixing it very well, we can add any kind of white rice. We are adding 2 cups of cooked Basmati rice here. Also add some chopped coriander leaves. Then mix it very well. Now switch off the flame. Our tomato rice recipe is ready. If we are making in this quantity, we can serve it for 4 portions.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.